The piece that we're working on today is going to be bronze, and it's going to be an approximately 500-pound oversized Cuban link. And so the thought behind it is because the Cuban link is very expensive, and the connection with it as well is that my dad is a jeweler and I'm a second-generation jeweler. So I'm paying tribute to the craft and artisanship of jewelry. In the hip hop culture, it signifies being wealthy, so to speak, like you've made it. On the other end, you have like this dark history of bondage and inhumane kind of treatment. So it has that kind of narrative that I'm kind of sweeping between the two. It's like, what if you use this contemporary item, which is this Cuban link, right? Usually in gold, and you mix it with this, you pair it with this classic, well-respected, kind of boxed in kind of style of material of bronze, right? So now you're kind of breaking the mold with what bronze normally is. When you pour the metal into the cast, it takes on the form of the actual, the actual object that you want to do. So to have a foundry on campus with skilled technicians, people with experience to do it, and it's just like, and I have, their support to be like, yeah, let's do this. It's amazing, man. I'm electric right now, just waiting to see how it all works out so you can see it on my face,